final stop of the Creative World Tour. Today, Leo, Maya, Zara, Rio, and Nia are exploring the Americas, a land of rich artistic diversity. From indigenous crafts to Latin rhythms and the dazzling lights of Broadway, they'll discover how creativity has shaped this vibrant region. Let's unlock the spirit of innovation together. The friends arrive in the American Southwest, surrounded by red rock canyons and desert landscapes. Their guide, a local artist named Taya, introduces them to indigenous crafts. Taya, welcome. Indigenous art is about storytelling, tradition, and nature. Let's create something meaningful today. Taya shows them how to make dream catchers using natural materials like wood, feathers, and beads.
This is so intricate, but I love how every part has a purpose.
The beads are like little stories woven into the web.
As they craft, Taya explains the significance of dream catchers, teaching them how art connects people to their history and surroundings.
This reminds me that art can protect and inspire us.
Next, the friends travel to Havana, Cuba, where the streets come alive with music and dance. A lively salsa instructor named Carlos greets them. Carlos. In Latin America, music and dance are the heartbeat of life. Let's get moving with some salsa. Carlos demonstrates a basic salsa step, and Zara quickly picks it up, twirling and laughing as Rio struggles to keep up.
Wait, do I spin now or later?
Just follow the rhythm, Rio. Feel the music.
The friends pair up, practicing their moves and adding their own flair. The upbeat music fills the plaza as they dance together.
This is so energetic. I can feel the joy in every step.
Carlos reminds them that Latin rhythms are about connection, community, and celebration. The next stop is Mexico City, where they explore the tradition of mural painting. Their guide, a local artist named Sofia, takes them to a vibrant art district.
Murals tell stories about culture, identity, and hope. Let's create one together to celebrate your journey.
Using bright paints, the friends design a mural inspired by their Creative World Tour. Maya paints a colorful skyline. Zara adds dancing figures. Rio includes musical instruments. And Nia writes a poem at the base of the wall.
I'll add a drumbeat design to tie it all together.
The mural becomes a symbol of their journey, blending their talents and memories into one vibrant masterpiece.
You've shown how art brings people together, just like the murals in our city.
For the finale of their adventure, the friends travel to New York City, home of Broadway. They visit a theater where a director invites them to try out a short musical performance.
Broadway is where creativity takes center stage. Let's bring your story to life through acting, singing, and dancing.
The friends split up roles. Nia writes the script. Rio takes the lead role. Zara choreographs the dance moves. Maya creates a musical backdrop, and Leo designs props and sound effects.
This is my time to shine. Cue the spotlight.
Their performance is full of energy, laughter, and creativity. The director claps enthusiastically as they take their final bow.
That was incredible. You've captured the spirit of Broadway teamwork, passion, and innovation.
To wrap up their adventure, the friends gather in Central Park for a celebration of everything they've learned.
Let's combine it all. Drumming, dancing, singing, and storytelling into one big performance.
With the park as their stage, they perform for a crowd of parkgoers. Maya paints a live mural. Zara leads a lively salsa-inspired dance. Rio and Nia sing a duet, and Leo's drumming keeps the rhythm strong.
This is the perfect way to end our Creative World Tour.
The audience cheers as the friends take a bow, proud of how far they've come on their creative journey. As they sit together on a park bench, watching the sunset over the city, the friends share their final thoughts.
The Americas taught us that creativity is limitless, just like the people and places we've seen.
Every culture had its own way of expressing joy, hope, and identity.
And we learned how art connects us all, no matter where we're from.
ArtzyKidz, own and be creative, express yourself.